Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the side load. And in this video today, I wanted to talk about the Google Pixel 11. Well, not so much the Google Pixel 11 that we're about to see in probably another month and a half, but all these renders of the Google Pixel 11. And it's quite funny because there are people who are buying into it, into thinking that this is what the Pixel 11 is going to look like. And I'm here to tell you guys, as a fan of Google Pixel phones, these are not them. And I hate to break it down. I mean, some people might find it cool or whatever, but if you're somebody who delves into the mobile tech space, mobile smartphones and stuff like that, with this particular one that I found, that I just started busting out laughing, because I'm like, this is like a cross between the Pixel Fold and the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. See, everyone's trying to figure out what Pixel Glow is. Is it a RGB lighting around the camera bar that glows different colors depending on the setting setup? That's one thing that people want to know. And another thing that people want to know is, if there's going to be some sort of LED panel that flickers out colors or whatnot. I mean, nobody really knows just yet exactly what it is. I am guesstimating that it's going to be the Google logo on the back of the phone that's going to have some sort of lighting effect that will glow certain colors. That's just me. I could be wrong. But the funny thing is that like, these renders, and this is not the only one that's out there. There's like a ton of them, but I'm not going to grab like all of them to show you guys examples. But let me just put it to you like this. First of all, the Pixel 11 is not going to look like the iPhone Air. So like the render that's going out there that looks like an iPhone Air, that's not the Pixel 11. Okay, this one is currently not the Pixel 11. All right, there's like there's all these different ones, and it's like, it's amazing what people will do with AI. But you also have to understand too, and like, this kind of sounds bad, but there are people who literally think like they're going to make a viral video for their YouTube channel and just literally blow up and make like big time AdSense money and all that other stuff, and that is furthest from it. I'm not saying every one of them is like that. Some people could be doing this just for the pure fun of it, and just to show you guys what they can do as far as like using AI to mock up something. I mean, I don't know exactly what the creators' intentions were. I just know that this is not the Pixel 11, and I wanted to come forward on a video here on the Sideload channel to all my subscribers who follow, because we are fans of Pixel smartphones, to let you guys know, don't fall into the trap. No one really has the specific look of what the Pixel 11 is. I know that Pixels are easy to leak all their stuff, and that's something that hasn't changed with this, but I can assure you guys that the actual visual of the Pixel 11 and all these unboxings, they're not the real deal. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that, and hopefully you guys are already aware of that. But if you're not, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad at all, because I'm a geek, and sometimes, I'll jump for joy on something that turns out to be not what I thought it was, or not what I thought it was going to be. It happens to the best of us. So what you guys can do, comment below, what was some of your favorite best takes on Pixel 11 unboxings and Pixel render mockups that you thought were kind of cool and would be cool if it was the absolute real deal. Comment that below. Thanks for checking out today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.